Hey you guys, it's the morning and I just got my kids up. Daughter's going crazy over the tacos. It's just made my son his tacos and he's eating his tacos while he's on the pot. So I'm doing a leftover taco, which you guys can see. She done crawled on me, trying to get to my tacos. You so greedy. You just had some broccoli and cheddar soup. I have to chew up the meat for my baby girl so she don't choke to death. Relax. You gotta make me some more baba. You drinking up all your juice. Sit down, baby. Hey, hey. This girl over here acting like she didn't eat and she just ate. No. You better stop acting up, girl. Lena, hush. You ate enough today. Be quiet. You want to see that? It got lettuce, taco meat, salsa, cheese, tomatoes. Sour cream, taco sauce. Come eat with me, you guys. I just made a huge pot of homemade broccoli and cheddar soup this morning. And that's what she ate. That's why I don't understand why she acting like she's starving. You guys are looking a mess right now. I haven't even got dressed. or nothing. I'm just trying to deal with my kids and eat. Mm. I look crazy, but this is the real me. This is what I look like when I'm just getting up. No, mama. Stop it. Let me eat and enjoy my taco and peach. This is what. As y'all see, I got the kids' TV show playing. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit about, you know, what I do in a day. I wake up. I feed my kids. My son is 2, so I'm trying to potty train him. He's about to be 3 on January 12th, so every morning that we wake up, I take off his night clothes, his pajamas, and I put him on his pot. I feed him. After he's done eating, he's gonna go brush his teeth, and then he's gonna be back on his pot all day today, so we can get him potty trained and regulated, you know. Got some ginger ale. So, it is not easy trying to potty train your child, but I'm about to have my 3rd baby, and my due date is December 25th, which is Christmas. So I'm just trying to get my kids on a good schedule and, you know, trying to be a parent the best way I can to my kids, you know, trying to figure out what works best for me and my babies. Lay back and relax. Lay back. Relax. Stop putting your taco like that. Pick your taco up like this. You bite your taco. It's not hard. You know how to pick it up and eat it. Stop acting like you don't know how to pick and eat. You about to be 3. Some stuff he do just get on my nerves. She over there trying to sneak her way over there, trying to steal his food. I like this taco sauce I put on there. It's kind of a little bit spicy. It's medium, thick. I don't you guys want to enjoy taco with me? No, I made it yesterday, but who don't eat leftovers? Yeah. Yo, I know y'all do it with y'all seafood boil. Excuse me. I'm mad Acme didn't have any. They didn't have any Doritos local taco shells. They didn't have nothing but regular hard taco and soft. They didn't have any type of flavorful shells, nothing like that. Just generic. But don't y'all want to eat with me? I'm telling y'all, man. Go home and make y'all some real tacos. And I switch it up every now and then. I make beef tacos. Sometimes I make shrimp tacos. I make steak. I said stock. I make steak tacos. I make chicken tacos. You know, you don't always gotta make beef. But my mom wanted some beef tacos. This is not ground beef. This is turkey, because I do not use ground beef. Put down in the comment below if you guys use beef or turkey. Which one you guys prefer? I prefer turkey because sometimes when I be eating the beef, I hate the bone marrow. Like when I get tacos from Taco Bell, I sometimes hurt my teeth sometimes because they be having bones in it, like little tiny bones, and they be hurting. But y'all, this homemade taco is definitely killing Taco Bell's. Ooh, baby just texts me.